how you can get to your first $500 per day with affiliate marketing and Google pay-per-click ads before New Year. So as you watch this video, you can see we have had in the last 48 hours 314 clicks. So basically 314 people have clicked on our landing page and or on our affiliate link. Out of those 314 people, they made a buying decision. Basically 39 people bought the product, and here is the action earning 2,250 euros, which is basically over 2,600 US dollars. Okay, now how you can duplicate and install the same system before New Year in 2025 going into 2026. First of all, let me show you how this works in action. Okay, so the beauty of this system is that once you're using Google pay-per-click ads, right, you can see over here, so you can, let me show you. Once using the Google pay-per-click ads, you will be able to basically target the buyers, right? So we have buyers over here, meaning we need solution-seeking audiences with pain and problems, right? So the only way you can have a sale on ClickBank or MaxWeb on Digistore or on any CPay affiliate network out there, the only way you can make a sale is once the person is in the problem state and solution-seeking state. That's the beauty of buyers clicks. Remember, in 2026, 2025, the money is in the buyer's clicks, buyer's intent. All right? You don't need to have nice graphic design. You don't have to have professional websites. What you need, basically, all you have to do is you need to have someone who can show you step by step, one-on-one, by hand holding you along the way, how to create sustainable passive income using ClickBank or any other affiliate network with Google pay-per-click ads. Again, if you remember, I mentioned Google ads. Why? Because Google ads, the beauty of them, the system, is that it will allow you to start having fast results without making any videos, without showing your face on camera. Okay? So if you're a busy person, you're professional, or you just don't have time, all you have to do is spend 20 to 30 minutes per day and you can do this. Okay, 30 minutes per day. Why? Because once you have a landing page, okay, functional, meaning copywriting done to the point where the person comes in, for example, let's say they are in high emotional state or low emotional state audience, they can segment themselves. So basically, it will allow you, the system will allow you to do the work for you. All right, that's the most important component. Now, as you can see, the number one mistake lots of ClickBank affiliates are doing when they're buying different guru courses, right, is that they are following the wrong method. And again, it's not your fault. Maybe you have tried some method in the past. Maybe you have bought different courses, different coaching programs, and you have failed. Again, it's not your fault. Why? Because you are following outdated methods. Used to work years ago. Like this one. You can see, right? What is it? What is the number one, let's say the wrong thing about this method is that they are catching a lot of fish, lots of curiosity clicks. But remember, I told you, if you want to make sale, you can see over here, if you want to make sale, you need solution-seeking people, prospects, right? Not curiosity clickers, not Windows shoppers, all right? You need exact audience, meaning super laser targeted audiences that are pre-sold, okay? Because what we are doing as an affiliate, we are not selling, we are pre-selling, and the VSL on ClickBank will do the job for you. The video sales ladder will do the job for you of selling. We are only telling and sharing. That's it. All right? You can see what we got done together over the Zoom call. Okay? Her name, this is Isabella from Spain. English is her second language. And yet she was able to manage to make 600 euros a day profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Another person from Australia, you can see over here, right? So what matters is to have someone who can help you and show you deeper psychology of marketing, okay? How it's applied, the funnel architecture, the ad strategy, and conversion persona code. All these things you don't have to learn. All these are done for you and done with you together, one-on-one. So you can actually start having results and converting in 2025 and 2026. All right. So as you can see over here, all it takes is one offer to set you free. That's it. All right. One offer, one person, one support to get you up and running. And then you can finally start having $300, $500, even $1,000 days or weeks. Whatever you want to make, it's entirely up to you. All right. So now it's actually a decision time. You can keep waiting. You can keep making excuses. You can keep procrastinating. You can leave this YouTube video, go back to your 9 to 5, okay, and forget about it. Or if you're a smart person, and I know you are because you're still listening to my voice, you're still watching this YouTube video, you know that you deserve more. You know that your family deserves to have extra, maybe exotic vacation in Bali, maybe go to Dubai, maybe go to Australia. I don't know, take your kids to Disneyland. Whatever your goal is, it's possible. But you need to have someone to show exact step so you can get up and running and have extra €100 a day. Okay, it clicks. Yes, great. Heck, I can do 300. I can do 1,000. It's all possible, but all you have to do is ask for help, get mentorship, get someone who can help you one-on-one so you can actually convert in 2026. Now again, thank you for watching this video and see you on the other side.